All right, so Diani is a very talented artist and he's growing quickly on the music scene with songs like Feelings and Senorita and Heaven Telegram. But today, we discuss his flow on his newest single, Style. So, welcome, Diani.
Oh, God, blessings.
Yeah, man, how you good? You all right?
I'm good, I'm Ira. How are you?
Yeah, I'm pretty cool. Loving the performances. I like the texture and quality of your voice.
Appreciate it.
But let's talk a little bit about your name, Diani. Where's that from?
Diani, it's Indian and African, so it represents sincerity in its truest form, and that's what my music is. I try to speak from the soul and try to represent myself as best as possible.
Yeah. Who gave you that name? Was it something you found it on your own? Was it inspired otherwise?
It was inspired otherwise from my mom. Her middle name, as well as a combination of my name as well. So, and then I researched the name, and I found out what it meant, and I think it was perfect. It fit my brand, it fit my style, and what I try to evoke as much as possible. Describe
that style, that brand, and what you try to evoke.
So soulfulness, realness, very intimate, very vulnerable, very true. So as an artist, I try to evoke emotions, not only from my experience, but also from experiences of others, and I try to display it as best as possible.
You talk about evoking emotions. What do you want to get from people? That is the emotion of love. What is it?
Whatever emotion it is that I try to represent. So, for instance, in a song like Style Now, that is a representation of my friends and their fashion and their sense of fashion. And as a Jamaican, we try to be as cool and comfortable as possible. So, essentially, it's just based on what the topic I choose to sing or basically evoke, and have songs like Feelings, which evokes feelings of emotions, and Heaven Telegram evokes feelings of grief and death. So I try to keep it all around.
Yeah. What got you into music?
Peer pressure.
Positive peer pressure.
Positive peer pressure. Wilma's at the back of the class, them always sing and try emulate them favorite artists, them favorite DJ, favorite singer. My artist was always like Dennis Brown, Luciano, the more soulful type of artist.
So you're back at the class with subject?
Yeah, man, because we graduated, and I completed college as well, so big up Caribbean Maritime. It started from high school, continued and blossomed after college, and we're doing it full time now and enjoying the journey, having fun, and just living the moment.
What would you say has been the highlight of your career so far?
Just doing music itself, because it's a big step, especially in the household that I lived in. It was always education first, highly focusing on getting a career and doing the traditional means of work.
Are you the first musician in your family?
Yeah, definitely I am.
And what's the feeling like from your family now that they've seen the path you've taken?
I'm very proud, very elated, and always supportive of what I do in a decision that I make. So, big up the family.
In terms of performances, has it been all Jamaican?
I've been all over the world so far. I've been to Germany, been to Belgium, been to Caribbean, a couple Caribbean countries, and Canada as well. So it's been a good journey so far.
Just before we allow you to do another performance, what can we expect for the rest of the year? Just a few weeks left, but also 2023.
Constant promotion. I have a couple bookings for December. I've Buju and Berry's show opening for them. That is on the 1st of January, which is intimate. So, big up Gargamel for the opportunity there. And, continuing throughout the year, just constant shows, more songs, and consistent promotions of the brand itself. So, yeah, can look out for that.
Amazing.
Respect.
We're looking forward to seeing more from you. That's recording artist Diani, and he takes us out with Feelings.
Yeah. Do. Feelings. Smile Jamaica, have me now feelings. Watch ya, lady, it is obvious now. I'm in love with you, girl. Heart's been racing, I've been waiting just to see you. It is obvious now.
with you, girl. Heart's been racing, I've been waiting just to see you. Them say the brave may fall but never yet yield, and some scars can really cut deep, and time can't conceal all the pain that you feel. Close my eyes so I can see you in the darkness. Would you love me still, baby, regardless? Third eye open so I can see all the heartless. Watch, baby, it is obvious, you know I'm in love with you, girl. Heart's been racing, I've been waiting just to see you. It is obvious, you know I'm in love with you, girl. Heart's been racing, I've been waiting just to see you. I will say, all the ex, them off the exodus. The captain in charge, I'm off to catch a bus. But in all your thoughts, I'm here to let you go. You have my mind and my heart, me have to make you know. Close my eyes so I can see you in the darkness. Would you love me still, baby, regardless? Third eye open so I can see all the heartless. I smile Jamaica. Ladies, it is obvious, you know I'm in love with you, girl. Heart's been racing, I've been waiting. Baby, it is obvious, you know I'm in love with you, girl. Heart's been racing, I've been waiting just to see you, just to see you, boo boo. I keep my eyes closed, and just to feel you, darling, I keep my heart vulnerable. Baby, it is unimaginable, the feelings I feel for you. It's euphoric. I will say feelings can't store it, cause baby it is obvious I'm in love. Heart's been racing, I've been waiting just to see you. It is obvious, you know I'm in love with you, girl. Heart's been racing just to see you. Baby, it is obvious I'm in love. I said, heart's been racing, I've been waiting. Baby, it is obvious I'm in love. Heart's been racing.